everybody, and welcome to my room tour. Okay, yeah, I need to drop this. So yeah, I'm gonna make a quick room tour. This is actually my third day here, and I'm supposed to be checking out real soon. So I decided to make a quick room tour so y'all can see what this place looks like. At least I've stayed and I know how it feels, so I can talk about some things. Yeah. Hey guys. Hello. And welcome to my room tour. So when you come into the room, you're going to come into the living room, and over here we have a table, a side table, and this is the furniture, and this is our wine glasses from yesterday, sorry, and cups and all that, but it's a table. And we had some snacks. Yeah, there were some snacks in this basket when we came in, but we had them already. This is the last one of it. Then we had those welcome baskets. It was directly in front of the door, welcoming us. You know, we did all the whole Rona rules and all. You know, so over here is just a quick TV set, which we basically didn't use. And this furniture, oh my god, this is so beautiful. Like the artwork and everything on it is superb. Then welcome to the view. The view, the very pretty view, the reason for the coming. So from the living room we have the slide doors which open outside, and I have a little mini, I made a mini dining section or dining area here, and from here you can see outside, and it's just so beautiful. Oh my god, my cap. So yeah, from here I'm going to take you guys to where everybody would like to see. So there's a door here as well, which leads to the drum roll. Well, it leads to the bathroom area. Yeah, it leads to the bathroom area. So over here we have two sinks. We have two sinks and this little tall something over here with the whole shower and stuff, and down here we have this rattan stuff which is a towel holder as well, and it's just a beautiful space. Then over here is the toilet. It's so neat and it's so okay. It's just okay. It's actually a very fine space. Then on this side, you guys are still there. Okay, so from here we walk into the bedroom. Isn't this so beautiful? Like, this bed is so soft, and what we came here for, the view. It's so pretty, you guys. So this door is supposed to open, but unfortunately they couldn't get the key. Like, how? So we can't open this and step outside, but it just has a beautiful balcony that leads straight back here. So you see, oh my god, I could live here forever. I could actually live here forever. And this bed, oh god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy being here. I've actually been here for 3 days, and trust me, it has been for 2 days, actually 2 nights. It has been a very lovely experience. I'm going to leave a detailed video of the whole process to get this place and come in here, the ups and downs I went through. Yeah, it wasn't easy, but yeah, that's it for the room tour. We just have some side stool which has these amazing cabins which I love, and the detailing of these things, the furniture, are actually very nice. Then we have side lamp. We have one over there as well. Yeah, my cap. So we have one side stool and lamp over here as well. Then we have this beautiful table, and everything has this cabins as well, and it was beautiful. And this, it gives the room a little green, and